Hi guys, how's it going? So I am finally doing the brow tutorial that everyone has been requesting about. So I'm just going to share with you what the tools you will need to do this. So you need a mirror, your favorite tweezers, a brow pencil that has a spoolie with it. If you don't, then get a spoolie, and then some brow shavers. Scissors, brow scissors that have a curve to them, and a moisturizer, facial moisturizer. So I'm just gonna get ready and then we can go head on towards the tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna get nice, close, and personal with you guys today, and you're gonna see what my brows look like right now. So my brows are basically a little bit grown out here. They look a little bit more unrefined. One key thing I would do want to highlight is that I do see a brow artist. I would probably say every 4 to 6 months unless I have a special event. And what she does is basically reshape. And in between those, this is how I tame it. So this is why this whole entire quarantine, self-isolation is not a huge deal for me because I already do this on a regular basis. So this is a step that I tend to skip because I already know what to do with my brows. But if you are quite new to this and you don't want to make any mistake, what you want to do is take your brow pencil that you have and shape your brows or line out the brows shape that you want, because you don't want to over pluck. So this will be your guidance, and let me show you how it's going to be like. So once you're happy with this shape and you make sure that it's fairly even and kind of looking almost the same, not all brows, I mean, they're not going to look like exactly like twins, more like sisters. So if you're happy, then we're going to go on to the next step. So the next step I do is basically tweezer around the area that I can see that's quite far away from my brow in itself, because those are the safe zones. Safe zones as in like you really don't want the hair to grow there. So you're going to tweeze that area away. Okay guys, so this is the final product of what your brows should somewhat look like depending on the shape you want. Let me show you. So they do look a little bit more cleaner, more tame, not as crazy and bushy, and there's no like little hairs here. So I just want to highlight some things. I still see a brow artist. She basically reshapes it the way I love. And what I do is in between every 6 months that I do see her is every day I look in the mirror, and when I look at this area here and up here, and if I see any small little specks of hair growing out, I know to pull that out because it's short. So you don't want to pull anything that's too long. This, what we did today is basically when you kind of forget to kind of maintain it. So it's been a couple days, you got a lot of hair growing out. This is what I typically do if I'm not seeing her anytime soon. And like I said, the key tool that I love to use is this, because even if, let's say, you overshave a little bit, at least it's gonna grow back because the root is still in there. Versus if you pluck it off, it might take months or it might never grow back, and that's how you get bald spots, and that's how you over tweeze. So if you are really new to this and maintaining your brows by yourself with because you usually see your brow artist every 2 to 3 weeks, definitely use a brow pencil to line up the shape of the brows that you like, and then basically tweeze from there. Okay, not tweeze, or tweeze a little bit from the outside and then shave from there. So yeah, this is it. This is the final product. Let me know if you guys found this tutorial very helpful and if there's any other things that you guys want to see. Thank you for watching and have a good day.